The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser King is not just another SUV on the road. It is the return of a legacy, a machine built for people who don't follow the path, they create their own. When Toyota first introduced the Land Cruiser decades ago, it became a symbol of strength, survival, and unstoppable reliability. Now, in 2026, Toyota has taken that heritage, fused it with modern engineering, and created a vehicle that feels like both a throne and a weapon on wheels. This is the Land Cruiser King, a name that isn't given, it's earned. And today, you're watching iPrompt Master as we explore the beast Toyota has unleashed for this generation. From the moment you see it, the presence hits you. The 2026 Land Cruiser King stands taller, wider, and more confident than ever before. Toyota designed this SUV with one goal: dominate every terrain without sacrificing comfort or class. The front fascia delivers a bold, squared-off grille with thick chrome bars and signature LED headlamps shaped like sharp eyes staring straight into the horizon. Every angle of the body carries muscular lines, boxy geometry, and off-road DNA that tells you this SUV is engineered for challenges, not parking lots. It's a machine built for deserts, mountains, forests, and everything in between. Under the hood, Toyota has moved with the future while protecting the power Land Cruiser fans expect. The 2026 Land Cruiser King arrives with a turbo-hybrid V6 engine, delivering massive torque, improved fuel efficiency, and immediate power delivery. Toyota didn't go for gimmicks, they went for raw capability. This SUV offers a combination of hybrid technology and rugged strength that keeps the tradition alive while pulling it into the next era. The acceleration is smoother, the power band is wider, and the capability is higher. When you step on the pedal, the Land Cruiser King responds like a sleeping giant suddenly awakened. Toyota's engineers didn't stop there. They reworked the suspension with an advanced multi-terrain adaptive system that reads the ground beneath you and adjusts in real time. Rocky trails, deep sand, wet roads, steep climbs, this SUV glides over everything like a ruler commanding its kingdom. With crawl control, locking differentials, and terrain management modes, the Land Cruiser King doesn't just survive challenges, it masters them. And the road presence gives you a feeling that no matter where you go, the world opens for you. Inside the cabin, Toyota has created a mixture of luxury and purpose. Step in, and you immediately understand why this is called the King. Soft touch leather, premium stitching, robust metallic accents, and a commanding driving position that makes you feel elevated, literally and emotionally. The large floating touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and a digital driver display come together to create a smart cockpit, but Toyota kept physical buttons for the most important off-road controls because the Land Cruiser has always been about practicality and trust. When you're in the mountains or deep in the wilderness, you don't want everything depending on a screen. You want reliability, and Toyota knows that better than anyone. The seats give full support for long drives, and the cabin insulation is exceptional. Even though the Land Cruiser King is a monster on the outside, inside it feels peaceful, silent enough for conversations, comfortable enough for long journeys, and strong enough to withstand whatever you throw at it. It's not luxury for show. It's luxury built for survival. Toyota also focused heavily on safety with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and off-road visibility enhancements that show you angles your eyes physically can't. Whether you're driving through a crowded city or navigating narrow rocky passages, the Land Cruiser King gives you awareness like you're watching your own adventure from a drone above. But the real magic of the 2026 Land Cruiser King isn't just in the features, it's in the feeling. This SUV carries history. Generations of explorers, families, soldiers, adventurers, safari leaders, and world travelers trusted the Land Cruiser name. And Toyota understood that they weren't just building a car. They were protecting a legacy while shaping the future. That's why the 2026 model feels powerful without being aggressive, luxurious without being fragile, and modern without losing the ruggedness that made Land Cruiser famous. People don't buy the Land Cruiser because it's trendy. They buy it because it lasts. Because it's dependable. Because when everything else fails, the Land Cruiser keeps moving. And the King Edition emphasizes that identity with stronger chassis components, enhanced towing performance, and a drivetrain meant for extreme usage. You can take this SUV to places where signals drop, roads disappear, and the world becomes